Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 1969 Ford Fairlane500 hardtop. This one is painted in black jade with the cashmere interior. It has a built 351 motor with an automatic transmission. And we'll start here at the rear of the vehicle. You can see inside the trunk, nice and tidy. Again, the car's been restored and it looks great. So inside the trunk here, it's all carpeted. I'll lift this up so you can see. This side's a little hard to lift up, so I'll lift up from this side here, but you can see it's all solid in there. Lift this up, you can see the fuel tank looks great. We have the spare tire cover. I'll lift that up, so you got the bias ply tire here with the jack, and right there's the jack there. So nice large trunks in these cars. Let's go ahead, close the trunk lid here, and we'll zoom out. So it has the hard top, and you can see it's got the vinyl roof as well. So looking great. There's your back package tray there, and you can see it's in great condition. A little mark here, not too much. It has aftermarket JBL speakers back there, as you can see. Coming back here, you can see the rear trunk looks great. Trim itself, the brake work, in pretty good condition. There's going to be little dings and dents around that type of stuff. It looks to be original to the car. The tail lights look great. The bumpers look like new, all nice and chrome. And of course, you got the fuel there. Let's check out underneath. You can see it's all solid under here. So the fuel tank looks great. There's your 9-inch Ford rear end. It has 411 gears, so it really gets up and goes. There's your leaf springs there. And you can see the shocks back there, the springs. A nice solid car. Okay, we'll make our way around the car here on this side. So you got a nice Ford Fairlane500 badge here. And again, you can see that beautiful paint. Check out the wheels here. So it's got the Magnum 500 wheels. Looking great. So original to the car, original look anyways. We have drum brakes in the rear. And for the rear tire size, if I can find it here, we have a 215/70 R15. Got the rear trim here, the exhaust exits here, nice chrome tips there. Let's check out underneath here. It's got the Flowmaster style mufflers there. You can see the exhaust looks great. All the floor pan looks great, nice and solid. Show you the underneath the doors here. Looking great, nice and solid. As you can see here, little mark here, not too bad. And then I can show you the jams here, nice and solid. All looks great in here. Let's check out the door panel. So again, it has a cashmere interior, Fairlane500 badge here with the full wood grain. Here's your windows. They roll up nice and up and down nicely. Show you the dash on this side here. So no rips or tears in the dash, looks great. Here's the glove compartment. Press that down, you can see there. And then you got the badging here. Carpet looks like new. Kick plate looks great. I'll fold this seat here. Oh, wrong way, there we go. You can see the rear bench seat looks wonderful. All the seat belts there. We do have the window crank here. I'll roll that down here so you can see. Sorry, I'm doing it with the opposite hand. With the hard top, you got no post here, so it's a great look. Headliner, pretty good condition. A little bit of seam there and a little bit there. Otherwise, it's nice and tight. It's not the mechanic headliner. Seats fold down nicely here. Now let's check out the seat on this side. So it's got the bench seat in the front. You can see the seat's in great condition. We'll go ahead and close the door now. And let's take a look back here. So there's your badge in there. You can see the paint is wonderful. Again, the chrome looks great. The handle looks great on there. Even the door socket there. The mirrors look great. The window trim looks good. And you can see the paint looks wonderful. It's been 5-stage polish, wet sanded. So all the paint correction has been done and it looks wonderful. There's your front wheel. Same tire size in the front. And again, those Magnum 500s. And then back here we have the 351 badge, the call out there. And we'll show you the engine in a sec here. There's your underneath the hood, looking great. And then here is your engine. So this is a sleeper. It's a 351 Windsor motor, but it's been built. A blueprinted motor, so it was sent out to a company in BC to get built, and it's built from the oil pan to the air cleaner. Everything has been modified. It's stroked to a 408 now, and it's producing probably 450 horsepower to the crank. And then we had a dynoed to prove it in the car, so it made 350 horsepower at the rear wheel, so it makes some good power. You can see the long tube ceramic coated headers there. All the drive system here is all the billet and the nice serpentine belts, electronic ignition. It's got the high-rise intake. There's your Ford valve covers. We also have the Holley EFI system, so it's now it's fuel injected. It has Wilwood brakes, so in the front we got disc brakes, nice disc brake system, power brakes, and we also have power steering as well. We got the aluminum rad with the electronic fan there. So just a wonderful motor. The transmission is a C4 3-speed automatic, and that's also been built to handle this motor. So step back here now, check a look at that front end. So really cool looking Ford. Again, the brake work looks great. Again, you can pick a little bit at it. There's little dings there, but it looks wonderful. The bumpers look like brand new. I'll show you underneath here. So you can see the oil pan, the motor's all been done. There's your transmission, there's your headers. Again, nice and clean all throughout. There's your disc brakes. You can see the red calipers there. Let's check out the wheels over here. I'll show you through the little window there. Right here, you can see the Wilwood caliper there, and they just work great on this car. Here's your front wheel, and we'll check out the rear wheel now. Looking great. Okay, back to the door panels. So again, nice cashmere interior, wonderful color combination. Fairlane500 badge there. There's your handle and your door. See, this folds down nicely, rolls down, I should say. The mirror's in great condition as well as the handles. Show you the dash on this side, and look at that dash. Just a unique dash on these Fairlanes. And then here's your door jambs, looking great, nice and tight. We'll check out the underneath the door here as well. Such great condition. Show you the pedals down there, and then your side view of the seat here. I'll show you the seat. I'll scan the seat here. And let's put this window down, give you that hardtop look. You can see they just roll so nicely. Put that seat back up here so you can fit some people in this car. Go cruising. You can get an ashtray built in the back of the seat there. And let's hop in the car now. So, hop in the car, let's shut this door. And let's start down here. You got light controls, your wipers, you got speaker control there. There's your e-brake. Let's come to the dash now, so you can see we got your temperature gauge here, your speedometer in the center. Mileage on the car, 86,751. Obviously, we can't stand behind that. We don't know how many miles on this, so it's true kilometers unknown. And then your other gauges here. Down below, we have your heat controls, and then we have the your radio system. There's your key there. Look at this little switch here. Let's zoom in here. So it's a little burnout button here, and you can see the tire marks burning out. So it's got line lock. Here's your Holley EFI sniper system. Down below we got auxiliary gauges here that have been added so we can monitor the engine a little bit better with Stewart Warner gauges, so your water temperature, oil pressure, and battery. And then we have the B&M automatic transmission shifter here. You can see the pattern here. Really cool feel. Gives you that old 70s hot rod feel here. Whoa. Shut the and check out the steering wheel here. So if you look here, you can see it's got the wood wheel. Looks great. Just a fitting steering wheel for the era. So a 3-spoke here. And then we also have the aftermarket Tach here. Keep tabs on this engine. All right, let's start this car. So turn the key. You're gonna see the EFI sniper system here. And hear the fuel pump. And you turn the key and it fires up. You can hear it sounds wonderful. There's your Tach there, so it's idling nice here. We'll open the door up here. Turn the lights on. Let's give it a couple revs. Wow, okay. Hop out of the car now. Let's make our way to the front. Turn the lights on this car. Lights all work. High beams aren't on right now, so those lights will work. And look at this car. Paint's wonderful. And it's just a sleeper of a car. Let's check out underneath again. You can see everything is nice and tight. What a solid car. Check out the back here. There's your lights there. And you can see the car shaking. This is a sleeper of a car. What a beautiful car. So it's a 1969 Ford Fairlane 500 hardtop with a built 351 into a 408 motor, 3-speed automatic transmission, and a Ford 9-inch rear end with 411 gears. It's painted in BlackJade with a Cashmere interior, and it's here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.